Hello beautiful glue bookers. Sometimes you just want to play with color, and today it's all about blue again. From deep navy to soft sky tones, I'm continuing my all blue glue book series and working on more pages with magazine cutouts and paper scraps. I'm Deborah, welcome back to the collage table. Let's pick up where I left off and see where the blue takes us. Let's get back to the opening page. Today I want to glue a few more images to the spreads I started last time and do some work on a few others. I have these pretty blue rub-on borders that I want to use here, so let's open the package and figure out how I'll do this. I found these rub-on images at the creative thrift store the other day and thought they worked perfectly here. I remember these scratch images from when I was a young girl. They were a big thing back then. So let's see, I want to use this border. I do have to cut it to size. Think about here. I'm not super precise with these type of things. You can if you want to. Okay, here it will go. Before I start scratching, let's figure out where I want all the extra images to go on the spread. I have this from a box of washi tapes. And then I have this little flower border type thing. It's pretty, I think maybe here. And then this little funny heart here in her hair. The year 2025. What's this? A paper lantern, maybe there. A blue pineapple, because why not? Some thick yarn, maybe somewhere else. This too. A Flow magazine cover. That's nice, but where? Maybe there. Okay, let's decide that later. Okay, this is it for now. Let's start gluing these images down. Yes. Oh, here this little diamond. Well, okay, it can go there if it wants to. That's kind of fun with that small heart that goes here. Yes, like so. And then the lantern. Alright, time to get to the rub-on border. It needs to be a little shorter still. Yes, better. Okay, now take off this layer and then I can actually start rubbing it on. I think you wouldn't mind if I speed up the scratching part here, am I right? It's just me rubbing the entire border so the image transfers to the paper. There's not much more to it than that. Scratch, scratch, scratch. There you go. I'm going over it one more time to the other side just to be sure I haven't missed any bits. Okay, so now for the moment supreme. Removing the final plastic layer. Ta-da! It almost looks like it's printed right there on the page. I love it. Let's keep these here. I might use them on this page later. Time for the next spread. It's the title page. I like to keep the title to show and some of these illustrations on the pages. So I just have a few images to go on here right now. Let's see. Okay, maybe not this. But yes to the Pierrot style clown. And then this Home Sweet Home. Okay, so just these three images now. Oh, I have this little heart. Let's put it here on the other page with the other one. Okay, let's put this back here and the scissors here or here. Yes, I think I like it a little off page like so. Yes, glue it like this and then trim the edge off. Alright. Moving on, let's see what's next. I have a few extra images to go on this spread. Again, I had started work here in the last session and now I just want to glue in some more blue things. These vintage doll faces are cute. And then this funny mushroom face. I think somewhere else. And then good advice. There's always room for good advice. This big blue bow can go right here. Yes, perfect. Then this can go here. This flower shape, maybe here. And then the vintage Dutch kissing figurine right here. But this flower, maybe here? Okay, I'm not sure. I'll decide that later. So this is good, but with this bear I want to remove this white part around him. It's a sticker. Let's do that. And just like with the rub-on, I'll speed this part up a little bit. If you like these type of videos, you can obviously check out part 1 of this blue glue book. But I also have a playlist with a lot of videos of me working in other glue books too. I will link on screen and in the description, so you can watch those after you finish this one, if you would like to do so. Alright, now let's put that back. Let's stick the bear sticker on the page. Right here. Okay. Here we go. Yes, I like it. Okay, now let me glue on all these other images that have found their place. Let's start with the good advice. And the original image on this page might be more yellow than blue, but I do like to keep it here like this. And I also like the contrast the color gives to all the blue. And it's just fun to keep a bit of the original book showing throughout the glue book. So there you go. This flower I'm not sure about, so I will keep it here for the next session. Let's keep going through this blue book. Oh yes, I already like this one and it's only going to get better. Let's start with this this blue Miffy bunny. See, it's so adorable. Let's put her here, yes. And Fiesta on this side. And then this, it's part of Jiffy packaging. Here or here on this side. No, it looks better there. This blue vase can go in between. Or maybe here, down below. Yes, I like that better. Then inside this little gift tag, something small. Maybe this ball of yarn. Yes, that would look good there. And then I have this, fight for what you love. Yes, important. Maybe next to my son here. No, here. No, that's not the right balance. I think I'll keep it for another spread. Okay. So time to glue these. Let's start with this. Okay, right here, and then the vase next to it. Let's do that. Yes. Let's see. Yes, that's nice. And then here goes Miffy. Look at her in the center of attention. Perfect. And then Jiffy, Miffy and Jiffy, that wasn't on purpose, that just happened. Then the chair and the guitar can go here. It's like the perfect spot there. See? It fits like a glove. And then I also, here, look, I have this vintage pattern square. It could go here in the corner. I think that works. Let's just put it there. And then I think here, this little thing that can break the straight lines. Like so, overlapping, yes. The nice thing about sticking with one color is how easy the choices become. This one only has a circle shape here, but I don't even want to put it on this page. What's on this side? This big ceramic piece can go on the back of the card, I think. Yes, I think that looks good. I will find something else to go with it. It's probably next time. Okay, turning the page. Something a bit different here. I like this dark blue mood a lot. I want to keep most of the city lights view, but I can add a few more images to it. Like maybe this dress and this tag. No. But this perfume bottle can go here, yes. And she can go there, maybe there. Yes, I think so. But for the dress, let me cut this off just a tiny bit, but it makes all the difference. There you go. So do I want it on this side or maybe here on the corner? No, let's just do these first, the ones that I'm sure of. So she goes there, yes, and the perfume here, but it does need something else. Hey, what about this one? I think it might fit this spread perfectly. Just not sure Where exactly? Okay, let me figure that out in the next session. I'm not done with the blue yet, so let's keep going. This is another favorite of mine. I like how this is turning out so far. Look, I can add that tag right there. And then this blue mascara is a sort of a border on this side. I got this postage stamp maybe here. I have a few more smalls, cassette tapes in the corner. No, not here. But this one, the sun gel, is a darker blue. I think that looks better here. Then got this watering can and this seating bench. No, let's go for these images. Glue these down. This tag works well here on the spread. Like, see? I would like to find something to go on it or overlap it. What about these? No. Okay, let me get a glue page because my fingers are getting sticky of all the in-air gluing. Yes, this is better. Yes, put that there. See, this is much easier this way, especially when gluing all these small clippings. Okay, putting this here. This one too. Lifting mascara. There you go. So put this out of the way so I can put the book back in center frame for you. Okay, let's go to the next page. It's another shade of blue. I like this lady's happy energy here on the right. I left this spread like this last time, but as you can see I have something to add now. Tokyo Hands, the Japanese craft store, and this. Is it a stool or a plant stand? Maybe both. Not sure where it wants to go. This is fun. I have another same image here and space to put it. What's this? That can go here. And then let's see. I got this bird that should go here. I like having fuzzy cut images break up straight lines from square cut photos on a page. Okay, let's glue this here. Occasionally I get the same magazine twice and then I end up with double images that I like. Repetition on a spread can have a very interesting effect. Speaking of interesting effects, what about this here? It's very spacey. Let me put this blue car here. Yeah, maybe, no, there. And I have this, some smalls, this maybe, here, no. Okay, let's see. What else? I have this vintage lady. She can go here. How is she gonna stand? Think like this. And this little Care Bear, maybe on the other side of this vellum type paper. No, I'll find a spot somewhere else. Let's just glue her down right here. Okay, yes. Oh, I think a little bit lower, like so. Now I do have to trim this, no problem. Okay, let's go to the other side now. Here's an all blue scrap background, and maybe the plant stand stool thing can go here somewhere, and maybe the funny face mushroom. Okay, maybe this here and this there. Okay, yes to the mushroom. I want it right there. Again, round cut shapes breaking up the lines, and the stool, that's for later. Okay, this next page, I don't really have anything pre-selected for this spread, so let's move on to the next. Let's see what kind of blue mood this turns into. Guess it's going to be fabulous. Okay, what do I have here? Oh, wait, I do need my clip here. This page needs to stay flat. Let's put it on. Yes, this is better. Now take a look at what I have to play with. I got this blue topping chocolate cupcake recipe card. I can washi tape it in the middle here. And then I have her, the Spanish dancer. She can go here or there covering that. Not sure. Maybe below it? No, somewhere up on top. And then this, Erase Your Past, box of detergent. That's funny. Then a blue dress, move it here. No, a little bit next to it for better balance. And a sticker of Smurfette. Where can she go? If we move her to the left. Okay, that's better. Let's do the washi tape first. Let's see, I could use this one or this. Okay, I also have these. I think this could work here. The other one is too narrow. I could do the same or another one on the other side. Let's just do this one first. Like so, yes. And then on this side, editing magic, and done. Okay. Oh, let's put the dress back in place. The card looks good. Still not sure where to put Smurfette on the page. Okay. Well, that's for later. Let me remove the clip and glue on Fabulous. Yes, right here. And then, okay, Smurfette, maybe she wants to go behind the cupcakes. Yes, let's do that. 1, 2, 3. And done. Okay, that's it for this spread for now. What's next? Let me do a quick check of what else I have here in this book, giving you a mini preview of all the blues still ahead. Let's see, do I want to do another spread today? Or yes, let's just do this one. I like this one. I like them all. I just really enjoy working in these single color books. I don't like you, said no one ever. And here, this stamp. And then I have this dolphin. It could go here. That could work. Or maybe near the pool. Or is that too cliche? Maybe just... maybe somewhere else completely. And then I still have the Care Bear. No, anything else? This bench, well, that might work if I cut this. You see, it can go there or there. Okay, let's just glue these few images on the page. And then, do I want this somewhere? Yes, I think so, but I'll figure that out next time. For now, thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Till next time, bye.